But I think when we won the Oscar, I mean, all that pain, all that sweat, all that torture which our director put us through just vanished in a second. And I think Natu Natu will be remembered as a very special song, not because it won the Oscars or not because we went through a lot of pain, but I will remember Natu Natu for have shared screen with an amazing friend of mine and a fabulous dancer. You know, his father was known to be one of the greatest dancers. And my uncle was also known to be a very good dancer, a great dancer. And I think this song will be a memory of what if his father and my uncle danced. And I think this is an ode to fabulous great dancers Charan garu and Balakrishna Babai.